Digital transformation requires strategy. Here there are four main questions to answer. Where are we now? Where do we want to go? How do we get there? And what might happen along the way? In other words, that means analyzing stakeholders and business needs, finding solutions for the envisioned digital future, determining a change strategy, and identifying and assessing possible risks. It all starts with the creative process. Like this one, or perhaps like this one. A useful tool here is the business model canvas. objectiF RPM comes with a template for it. However, traceable strategic analysis demands more than that. Like diagrams for analyzing stakeholders and their relationships, and ways to keep track of stakeholder business needs. A need can represent a problem or an opportunity. Needs can be used to derive business requirements, and when they're fulfilled, benefits are created. objectiF RPM securely versions each recorded business need, and every other artifact and result for that matter, including all relationships. Business requirements are the starting point for digital transformation. Here they're represented in a backlog view. Relationships between requirements can be quickly seen here. When the relationships get complex, the best way to get an overview is to look at the representation in a requirements diagram. Here you have direct access to all the important information. This diagram with quantitative business goals can also be useful, or this representation of the solution in the context of possible interfaces and regulations. Or, if digitalized business processes are at the core of the new solution, these can also be modeled, just like business entities can be modeled, along with the initial design of the solution architecture. Realizing a digital solution often requires several initiatives or sub-projects. In objectiF RPM, you can set these up by using planning patterns. Doing it like this automatically creates all the necessary infrastructure for the teams. And here's how objectiF RPM helps keep track of what's supposed to be realized in an initiative, with automatic assignment of a backlog when the initiative is created, and with easy reference to the needs that are being fulfilled. And the benefits that are being created. At this point, risks still need to be taken into account. A Kanban board is a great tool for risk management. Here risks can be easily described and standardized using forms. And now the implementation can begin, with traceability, version control, and transparency for everyone.